In this video, we will learn about how much AMC, that means annual maintenance charges, you have to pay for having Demat account in Zerodha. If you have a regular individual Demat account, then you have to pay 300 rupees plus 18% GST per annum. That means 354 rupees you have to pay every year for maintaining your Demat account. But remember, this amount will be deducted 4 times in each year. That means for every 90 days, these AMC charges will be deducted from your funds. In that case, you have to pay 75 rupees plus 18% GST. That is equal to 88.5 rupees you have to pay for every 90 days. Here the 90 days are calculated from the date you have opened your Zerodha Demat account. You can check whether these amounts are deducted or not by going to console and click on funds and click on statement. Under category, select equity and select the date range. Here I have selected current financial year. Here you can see the deducted AMC charges. Here 88.50 rupees has been deducted from my Zerodha funds. Like this, every time whenever Zerodha deducts these AMC charges, you can find those details in your fund statement. But remember, not everybody has to pay 300 rupees plus 18% GST. If you are a small investor, then your account will be considered as Basic Services Demat account. That means BSDA. Let's see when your account will be considered as a BSDA. If your PAN is linked to only one Demat account and your total holdings in a Demat account is less than 2 lakh rupees, in that case your account will be automatically converted as Basic Services Demat account. You don't need to do anything. In that case, the AMC charges will be very less. Up to 50,000 rupees, you don't need to pay any AMC charges to Zerodha. If your holdings value is 50,001 rupees to 2 lakhs, then you have to pay 25 rupees per quarter plus GST. For example, in this Demat account, the holding value is less than 50,000 rupees. So only 29.50 rupees has been deducted as AMC charges, which includes 25 rupees AMC charges plus 18% GST. So like this, if you have a small BSDA, that means Basic Service Demat account, you have to pay less AMC charges. Here the holdings include stocks, bonds, ETFs and mutual funds. Everything combined will be considered as your holding value. And let's see what happens if you don't have enough funds by the time of deducting the AMC charges. In that case, your account will show negative balance, but in Zerodha up to minus 300 rupees, you will not see the negative balance. If this negative balance exceeds minus 300 rupees, then your account can become inactive and you cannot able to do any transactions. Then you have to reactivate your account by paying the pending AMC charges. After paying the AMC charges, your account will again become active and you can do the regular transactions. So this is about the AMC charges in Zerodha. I hope you like this video, and for more videos like this, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India.